All right, here we are. It's assembling grasses from alpha. This piece is relatively simple to put together, but there are a few things I'd like to show you. One is when you're cutting this piece, I would recommend cutting this cut first, straight down across the top. That way, when you cut these lengthy cuts, you're cutting through a cut already. If you try to cut the lengthy cuts first and then cut this top cut, you'll be cutting through a lot of little pieces, and it tends to move the paper and skip. So I would make this cut your first cut right across the top here. This is the piece we're making here, and as you see, this is a piece of, this pop-up is a pop-up that really works with the flexibility of paper. Sometimes we design the paper and pop-ups to be structurally strong, and sometimes we do pop-ups where the paper is flexible and moves. So this is a flexible piece of paper here. All right, so you'll see these two glue tabs here, and there's a little angle fold. So I'd like you to crease the folds, get them nice and soft. So make sure you fold the angle fold too. That's there to relieve the stress on the paper when it opens all the way. So we're folding that piece one direction. This is the same, and we'll fold this piece under. So this tab folds on top, this tab folds under. Then right against the fold here of the base page, I'm centering my, of course it would help to have something lighter under this piece so you can actually see what's going on here. Can you see? Yeah. Okay, so this is right against the fold of the paper. I'll just put a little bit of glue, and you only want to glue the main piece. You don't want to have any glue on the little angle fold piece. That needs to be there for flexibility. Okay. Once again, push that piece as tight against the gutter as you can. Close it. Hold that piece down. 30 seconds for gluing, approximately. Flip it over. That way you can continue to put pressure on it. And this piece is the same over here. Keep pressure on that. Once again, you don't want to have any glue on the little angle fold wedge there. You only want glue on the larger part of the tab here. There you go. And if you can, just once again, push that piece right against the gutter. You want that right on the gutter, right on this edge, right on the gutter of the paper of the base page. Close it. Hold it in place 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Oh, let's see. Did that stick? There it is. There it is. You also want to make sure when you cut this piece that when you cut these long lengths of the grasses, that you get a clean cut all the way through. Sometimes you'll get a little section of paper that isn't cut through, and these pieces will stick together. So make sure these are clean cuts all the way through the paper. And then you'll get this nice, free-flowing piece of paper that reminds me of grasses. There you go. Grasses.